In precision 3D printing, consistency starts long before extrusion. Every Inslogic filament begins with pre-dried polymers stored in humidity-controlled environments. An enclosed handling system keeps moisture out, ensuring stable melt flow and precise diameter. After extrusion, every spool is thermally conditioned again, calibrated to filament type. After drying, every spool is stored in a temperature-controlled chamber, keeping humidity out before final sealing. Each spool is vacuum sealed with desiccants to lock out moisture and preserve performance. From storage to shipping, quality is protected, so your print starts right every time.